Video, I'd like to discuss rigid sign prints. A rigid sign print refers to any product that is printed on a flatbed printer and typically from a rigid substrate such as a coroplast or a PVC. If we're in an estimate within control, looking at the rigid sign print, the first field we come to is the quantity being ordered. Then whether it's single or double-sided or back-to-back. Back-to-back refers to two single-sided signs being mounted back-to-back to create a double-sided sign, compared to double-sided, which is just being printed on both sides of the same substrate. Then we get into the height of the finished product and the width of that product, the printer that it's going to be printed on, the resolution or mode of that printer, the material type, and then the material itself. The lamination type, if it's being laminated, what is it being laminated on, and then what is that laminate? If it needs to be cut out, such as in this case, we're doing 18 by 24s out of a 4 by 8 sheet, so therefore they'll need to be cut out. It wants to know how it's being cut. And the complexity. Since these are just square cut, that's pretty standard and simple cut. Now that we've put in our basic information, if we look to the right, you'll see the custom finishing option. If we choose custom finishing, it allows us to select detail about our finishing. I can either choose what my edge treatment, such as a trim cap, an install method, such as what am I using to mount it, referring generally what's on the back, such as Velcro, magnetics, double-sided tapes, etc. If for some reason this needed to be grommeted, or have easel backs, and any drill holes or does it need rounded corners. The layout data refers to any gaps that need to be left between each print, the gutter between each print, the margin of material that needs to be put around each print. Add-ons is just for additional user options. These can be added as modifiers and be added to as many products as you'd like. The notes on work order only print on work orders. The info lets you know how it's breaking down that sheet of material. In this case, it's rotating to fit better on the material, and it can fit 10 up, therefore it's going to use 2 sheets, and there's 19 feet of scrap out of that. The quick quote finishing, such as deluxe, simple, and standard, allow straight percentage markups to the product for simple and easy quotations. Now looking at this product, you'll see area-based pricing, so that's what we're working in. It will break down the different categories. Your base price refers to the print and the material, then how much it is to cut it out, to laminate it, and then the finishing options we've selected. This concludes the video on rigid sign prints. If you have any further questions, please check out the other videos or call somebody in Cirrus technical support or implementation. Thank you.